Hi guys, Merry Christmas. It's Mike and Wally coming to you from Dean Team Service Shop. Winter's upon us and the weather is snowy and rainy and hot and cold in St. Louis, we know that, and wet and dry. So one easy thing that you guys can do to maintain the cart and just the roof and paint and everything on it is an easy cargo cover. They're not a whole lot of money. Sometimes we have pre-owned and pre-used ones that we've used on the carts here at the shop and outside, but this is how easy it is. It's always easier with two people. You can still do it with one, but you would just go with one person. You would just go from the back to the front, kind of like a fitted bed sheet. It's really easy, but Wally and I are going to demonstrate how simple this is with two people. You're just going to kind of stretch this out. You get the one side up and over. And that's it. It really takes about 30 seconds with two people, and I mean you're probably about a minute with one person. So you guys have a Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays from Dean Team, and don't forget your cargo covers for the winter. Thanks guys.